Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn off or on silence unknown callers on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go over here to the settings. From here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way to the bottom and you have to tap on apps. Now from here, either you can navigate to the phone app or you can use the search here, type your phone like this. Now from here, you have to tap on it. Now from here, if you scroll it down over here like this, if you scroll it down, you can see over here the screen unknown callers. Right now, this feature called the silent unknown callers is actually turned off because I have kept this on never by default, which means all kind of calls will be receiving in my case, even the unknown numbers as well as the contacts or my favorites, everyone will be calling and it will be displaying over there. Now, if I wanted to turn it on, I have two options. Either I can go for ask for reason for calling. In the sense when someone randomly trying to call me an unknown person, it is going to ask the reason for them to call. So I'll be displayed over here, and I can filter it based on I can read it and then I can attend the phone based on my requirement. If I feel like it's a spam, I can neglect it. If I feel like it's an unwanted one, I can completely keep it the same. I don't want to attend it. It all depends on yours. Next one, but you'll be getting a notification over there, pop-up will be there, so you can listen to, you can read it and you can understand it and you can do the necessary. But if you go to the silence over here, that is the third option. But if you go to this, what happens is the unknown numbers will be directly gone to the voicemail and you'll not be having any kind of pop-ups, but you'll be having those kind of calls numbers on the recent list. So these are the options. So if you keep on these, like I said, the silent unknown callers is turn it on. But if you wanted to keep it off, you have to go for the never. And also we have one more feature over here called unknown callers called call filtering. If you wanted, you can turn it on, which the missed calls and voicemails from the unknown numbers will be moved to the unknown caller list, right? So these are the things you need to do and make sure this is how we can do this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.